How can this not be exciting? How can I not ride this to work every day? Woohoo! Oh yeah! This bike, oof. It's addictive. Oh my god. Yeah man, this is addictive man. KTM, why do you want to make such bike? The torque man. Little 390cc torque. Oh, this little boy can't stay quiet. They just want to go. It's like a ADHD little kid. Oh yeah, it's an ADHD little kid. Oh, look at that. Ah! It just doesn't want to ride slow. It is so happy when it's a high on the rev range. Oh my god, this is... Whew. It's like a roller coaster. As much as single cylinder is my least favorite engine sound, but man, the feeling this KTM gives you is woo! Power! Power! Let's go! Whoa man! Gotta slow down. Hey, this is what you call the beauty of the torque. You don't need to go crazy fast, but oh, a little twist of the throttle is ah! Oh, beautiful. It's just so fun. You know, it's actually for me it's very hard to, you know, tame myself down because like I have no self-control. This bike, it doesn't want to ride slowly. It wants to be up there in the rev range, you know. If it's slow, I mean like if you're at a low rev range, it's gonna be like, oh, it is not happy man. This bike is not happy. If you're at a higher rev range, it's like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is how it feels man. So that's why this is why I think there are so many people that says it's a good little bike. I mean, it is a good little bike because it's just so happy, it's just so playful. It wants to go and go and go and go. Man, it doesn't want to, you know, sit down and be quiet. It wants to go, let's go. So it's kind of like a kid, you know. It's like a kid at a, what do you call that? Carnival. The road is the carnival and I'm the kid. I have no self-control, man. Like, if you ask me to ride slowly, I mean I can for 5 minutes and then I'll go back up. Like, I'll start revving the engine and go a little bit faster. Oh, this is terrifying. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this bike just wants to go. It's so happy. Even like lower speed, I kind of keep the rev at the middle because it's telling me that it's not happy at the bottom. Like, go, please, please. It's like, you gotta rev. Let's go and have some fun. It's like a little dog. Not a little dog, generally like dogs, like they want to go and have fun, like they want to go to the park and go for a walk. They get super excited. This feels exactly like a dog. Like a happy dog. Man, this is why KTM is so addictive, man. Oh, people say that KTM has a bad reliability. I disagree. It just, maybe it's like it wants to play so much that people end up trashing them. Maybe, I don't know. What about y'all? Like, let me know what do y'all think. If like that's why. I think in this part you're gonna have to agree with me that this bike is just addictive. It wants to go. Honestly, I can't imagine like the 1290 Super Duke R. Like, I can't imagine the amount of torque that's on the bike. I mean, this 390 for me is exciting enough already, but the 1290, like, what the hell? How are you gonna ride that? Like, in a traffic jam? How is it even possible? God, I did not regret a single bit buying this bike. There's so many lorries today. Okay, I need some self-control, man. Otherwise, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die at a very early age. Honestly, I'm curious, like, other than me, other than the torque, why do you all get the 390 Duke? Is it because of the same reason as me? Or maybe because of the looks, or maybe because of like the riding position or the exhaust sound or something like that. I'm really curious to know about that though. So I mean, I would appreciate it if you like write it down in the comments and let me know why do you all get the 392. Because for me it's just mainly the torque, it's playfulness. I'm before this I was on my Duke 200 and it doesn't have like huge power or speed, but the rev range, the torque is just like excited as hell. Like, if let's say if I don't upgrade to the 390, I'm gonna regret, man. Okay, like if let's say I upgrade to a 250 or a, yeah, let's say a parallel twin 250, because at the time I don't think I am prepared and I have the money to buy a like an MT-07 or a 650 Ninja, things like that, right? If let's say I upgraded it to the parallel twins, right, I think I would have regretted. I would have missed the torque so much. So like, yeah, I just have to go with the 390 because of the torque. It is just too fun. This bike is too much fun. So my producer asked me yesterday, like, how do you come to work every day with a bike? Aren't you tired? Because like now the lockdown is lifted, so our jobs are basically back to back. We're working like crazy hours every day. And she asked me, like, aren't you tired riding bikes like every day like this? Because like she's driving and she said she felt super tired, man. She's like exhausted. For me, is I don't know, my instinct, I just told her like, I really enjoy riding motorcycle. It makes me think, like, is it because of the 390 Duke that is an exciting bike to ride, or I just love motorcycle? My guess is the 390 lah. So yeah, this bike, woof. Okay, let me go. 5th gear pull. Full throttle. How can this not be exciting? How can I not ride this to work every day? Woohoo! Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to end this video right now very soon, because I'm about to reach my workplace. And riding with me to work, this is like the moment that I cherish every day. I mean, I go to work happy every day, man, just because I can ride this bike. Whoa. This is like some people are like the morning morning coffee person. I'm like the morning bike person, man. I need to ride to wake up. Like, this is addictive. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, let me know why do you all choose this bike over any other bikes, like the Japanese bikes or just some other bikes. Like, yeah man, I would love to know. Yeah man, hope that you enjoyed this video too. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you must press the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. Okay, gonna reach my workplace soon, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video, and goodbye.